If you're thinking about buying the Coolzy portable AC, here's what you should know before spending your money. The biggest selling point of the Coolzy is that it's designed for personal cooling, not cooling an entire room. That's an important distinction because a lot of people expect it to work like a traditional portable air conditioner, and that's where disappointment usually starts. In my opinion, the Coolzy does a decent job if you're sitting or sleeping close to it. It's compact, easy to move around, and doesn't require complicated installation, making it a good option for small apartments, RVs, or home offices. Independent hands-on tests also found it works best when aimed directly at the user rather than trying to cool a whole space. That said, it's not perfect. Some users report that while the front blows cool air, the unit releases warm exhaust into the room, so expectations really matter. Recent customer reviews are also mixed, with some praising the convenience while others say it doesn't replace a standard AC. So, is it worth it? If you want targeted personal cooling, yes. But if you're expecting whole room air conditioning, you're probably better off investing in a traditional portable or window AC.